Hey, what's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and we're going to jump right into the business because today, you probably guessed it again, over and over and over again, another $177.30 we made with this piggyback system. This is the system I've been kind of talking about all week, and it's generating, on average, $177 every day. I noticed it may look like the same video, but this is today. I can refresh it, right? I can refresh it, and then I can go ahead and click on yesterday. You can see that the click exchange, right? So still 177. And then I can go ahead and click on week to date, and you can see over $1,000, $1,063. So again, on average, we're clearing, $177 a day with this system, with this piggyback system. So if you haven't checked it out for yourself, go ahead and check it out in the link in the description. And the only nugget I'm going to leave you guys with today, because I've been making a lot of videos about this, and if you're over me making videos about this and you're like, okay, John, that's enough, just leave it in the comment section and I'll stop. But I try to leave little nuggets every time I make these videos. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to follow up with your leads that hit the actual system. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check the link in the description. That's the piggyback system. I've been talking about it all week, and you'll actually be able to see what it's all about. But one of the things that I want to kind of explain to you guys is, the importance of follow-up emails, right? Because the person that actually purchased today, because I check the stats and I go back and actually find out who purchased. So the person that actually signed up today was somebody that actually signed up to my list maybe about 4 days ago, right? So about 4 days ago, but they didn't purchase right away. So everybody's not going to purchase right away. And that's why you got to have follow-up emails going out to remind people and bring them back to your website. And you don't even have to just rely solely on these follow-up emails. You can also broadcast your list. And that's the whole point in having an autoresponder is you can go ahead and have the follow-ups, but then I can just go ahead and type up an email myself and shoot it out to my list of prospects. So just wanted to leave a little nugget, the importance of following up, because today that sale came in and it was from somebody that signed up days ago, but they probably received the follow-ups, they checked it out, they had time to review the information, and then no sales is coming in. So your job as an affiliate marketer is just to fill that funnel up, fill that pipeline up with good quality leads, and then no sales or start pumping out, matriculating every single day. That's what we're seeing here with this system. I've showed you, you're seeing the proof that your boy is just generating $177 over and over and over again. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question. And again, I'll have a link to the piggyback system in the description below so you guys can check it out. This is all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.